Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right, I'm on again to make jewellery. This is what I made the last time, this gorgeous bracelet with a little cat charm on it. And now I'm going to make some earrings. So I have these gorgeous cats on moons. So yeah, I've got some bead ends. I think they're called bead ends. I'm not actually sure what they're called. Bead caps, is it? And I have some eye pins here. Thought these would be better to use. I need two. One and a toe. Okay, and my plan is to use one of these gorgeous silver bead caps. You call it a bean cap then. And have I got any left? I've got one. I wanted some of these, but it looks like I've used them all. Well now, what can I use? I do want them to match slightly, so I think I'm going to use these speckled ones. Yes, I like that. Another, I can't pick it up. It's so small. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Right, okay, so that's on there. And I measure like a finger width away, so I'll hold that. Get my cutters, save that, and then use where it's big here, use that. And then what I do is I hold this and I put my thumb on top like that, and then I bend it around, knock it back a little bit, so it's like this. Okay, and then all you do is make sure that's nice and tight, and bend it round so you have this. So there's one. I want another one. I have been making more earrings. I will show you once I have finished doing these ones. Speckled, them ones, isn't it? Yeah, speckly, very pretty beads. And make sure I've only got the one. Oh, it's very fiddly. Sorry if my head gets in the way. Nope, it's the wrong hole, Claire. Can't. There we go. Right, and the same. Make sure it's a finger width away. Save that. And again, right at the end of your pliers, put your thumb on top of your bead and curl it around, bring it back a little, and then if I can do it, make sure it's all pushed up together. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna have to bring it closer to me because I can't see if it's closed. There we go. So that's that one done. And all I'm going to do, I've got my wire hooks here, and I've got a couple of different sizes of split rings. That's what they're called, split rings. Oh my god, why couldn't I remember that? I want to make sure I get the right sizes. Yes, and I think that's right. So all I'm going to do is take one of my split rings. These overlap a little bit, these ones. I got these off Amazon. I mean, they're okay. They do the job. You've just got to make sure that that's the wrong side. It's that side. I want it on that side. That when you bring it back together, you don't overlap. So just gonna squeeze that, make sure it is not going to come apart, which it is not. So we've got that bit there out the way. Get another split ring and always pull it towards you and away from you, not apart like that, because yeah, it can make it weak, believe me. I need, you know them rings that you can get? There we go. You put it on and it's got like little gaps in it so you can open your split rings and stuff. I need some of them. I have got one somewhere and I can't find it. It's disappeared. So split ring open, put your ear wire on, and then the rest of your earring. Put it together, and there we have our first earring. How pretty does that look? That's beautiful, isn't it? So we have that one. Now, where's my split ring gone? Hiding, there we are. And here we go. Oh, that's over quite a bit, that one. I might have to get another one if this doesn't close properly. But we will see. On sorry, little bit of a frog in my throat. Let's just squeeze that together. And there we go. Oh, dropping it now. So we have got 2 pairs of gorgeous earrings and a bracelet to match. So pretty, aren't they? Absolutely love them. I just want to show you some other earrings that I've been making. Oh, they go the same way. I have to change that over. With gold earring findings and the a couple of charms, bee charms, and yeah, the beads, and they just look beautiful. Can you see them? I've got nowhere to hang them, so yeah, hope you can see them. So that's them, and to go with them I am making, got some gold chain, a gold necklace to go with, and there's the bee. How beautiful is that bee? I'm going to put a few of the green beads on either side, and then that's that set done. And I just think they're absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. I don't know whether to make a necklace to go with these. I think I have got another one. These are my charms here. Let's see what we've got. And they're beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I've got another one of them ones. So I could make a necklace, couldn't I? I haven't got any more of them moon cat ones. No, I haven't. So I could make a necklace. Silver. I've got silver chain. That I also got from Dawn's shop. These charms aren't from Dawn's shop. I got them from a shop off Etsy, but I can't remember what the shop's called. So these are the chains. So silver, it's like bronzy colour, and gold. So yeah, this, she sells them in her shop. Just about everything really in her shop. So yeah, that's it. Oh, they look beautiful, don't they? I need to change that around the other way, I think. Yeah, but it's an easy fix. So yeah, that's all I'm showing you today. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.